Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping programs from auto-launching on startup on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Users and Groups. With your user account selected, click Login Items in the top right. Here is a list of apps that will open on startup. To remove an app, click on it to select it, and then click the minus icon at the bottom. The apps you remove will no longer open on startup. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.